In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect your PS5 controller to your iPad for Call of Duty. So let's get started. You're going to start by making sure your iPad is running a recent version of iPad OS because controller support depends heavily on system updates, and once that's confirmed, unlock your iPad and open the settings app. Here, you want to go ahead and tap on Bluetooth and make sure it's turned on. Now keep the screen open since your iPad needs to detect the controller while it's in pairing mode. So now you want to go ahead and take your PS5 DualSense controller and make sure it's completely turned off. So let me go to here. Okay, so that's your PS5 controller and you want to make sure it's completely turned off. And now to put it into pairing mode, you want to press and hold the PlayStation button in the center of the controller and the create button next to the touchpad at the same time. Now what I mean by that is the PlayStation button right there, and you also want to go ahead and press the create button at the same time for about 5 seconds. And once the controller starts to flash its light like this, that means it's in pairing mode now. So now once your controller starts flashing, you want to go ahead and go back to the settings and Bluetooth and just wait here and look for your controller, your DualShock PS5 controller under available devices, and after a few seconds you should see your DualSense wireless controller appear on the list, and you want to go ahead and tap on it and wait for it to connect. Once it says connected, your PS5 controller is officially paired with your iPad and you don't need to worry about any extra apps or cables to use it. Now you can just go ahead and open Call of Duty on your iPad, make sure you're logged into your Activision account, then let the game fully load. As soon as you're in the menu, you can move one of the joysticks or press buttons on the controller, and Call of Duty Mobile automatically detects supported controllers, and when it does, the game will switch to controller mode. You will actually usually see a small controller icon or notice the menu is responding to joystick movements. Once you enter a match, the controller will handle aiming, shooting, and movement just like on your console. If the controller feels off, go into in-game settings and open the controller section where you can adjust sensitivity and button behavior. Keep in mind that when you use a controller in Call of Duty Mobile, the game will match you with other controller players to keep the gameplay balanced. From now on, your PS5 controller will automatically reconnect to your iPad whenever Bluetooth is on and the controller is nearby. This setup gives you a smoother movement, better aiming control, and a much more console-like experience while playing Call of Duty on iPad. So anyways guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.